All right, man. So we got the dash here, and it is in pretty bad shape. Man, we got cracks everywhere, man. Cracks on cracks on cracks, man. So we're gonna get this thing fixed. We're gonna put it together. We gotta fix this. We gotta remold a whole new edge on here, man. I mean, this dash is just destroyed. So, but you know, I'm gonna put a little bit of JRB customs on this damn thing, man. And we're gonna bring it back to life. So, man, y'all stay tuned with this, man. Just keep watching. This dash is about to be brought back to life, man. So, go and subscribe, man. Like, subscribe, and share. Watch me work.
Damn! That does it a blessing. Damn!
All right, man. So we got some of the holes filled. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna sand this thing down real good to get everything kind of flush. And then we're going to start the fiberglass process. So y'all see what it's looking like right now. I got a hole over here. I'm going to fill in here with epoxy. We're going to get that filled in, and I'm going to sand that down and get that made back to original look. But y'all see it now. So let's work, man. Watch me work. Watch me work. All right, man, we got a lot of it sanded down where it's flush. I need to put a little bit in here, but I can fiberglass that. Now we're gonna go ahead and get this thing fiberglass. Hey, man, thanks for watching part 2. Part 3 coming soon. And y'all be on the lookout for JRB. It's a custom thing, man. You hear me?